Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Indigo credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.indigocard.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you find yourself in the official site of Indigo, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the My Account button. You'll find yourself in the area where you can log into your account by entering your credentials at the right hand side of the screen. If you want to manage your credit card online, then you must be logged into your account. Start off by typing in your user ID in the first text box and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking the eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, click on Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password or look for your username. After everything's typed in, click Log In and you'll be able to log into your Indigo credit card right away. That's how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.